have the pleasure of listening to two wee men on the tin whistles, and they'll bring a few tunes on the tin whistles now as well. That's Sam and Mark. But first off, I go out there every Monday night, and it's a lot of encouragement to me when these young ones play their tunes. And some of them only started this year, some at the end of last year, but they've come on really, really well. As I said there, it's a great encouragement to me. And I think it's a good confidence builder for them whenever they appear in front of an audience like yourself. And children seem to have little or no nerves. And as I say, these children are going to come in a minute, and they're going to play about 5 wee pieces. Followed by Salterstown Flute Band itself. And then we'll have the tin whistle duo, Sam and Mark. And I always find Mark and Sam end too soon, but I'm starting to enjoy them, and they stop the show. But I'll leave it to them. They'll know many tunes they want to play. Aughrim, Lambeg, Fife and Drums are on their way. They'll be on the stage after that. Followed by Cranny Pipe Band, which we have to say is maybe one of the best pipe bands in this area. Certainly one of the oldest pipe bands in this area. And we're looking forward to hearing Cranny again. We also then have Lochanchlin Cultural Musical Group from Desert Martin, a group of accordion players. I try to please everybody. Not everybody enjoys a flute, not everybody enjoys a pipe, so we have to go by the crowd here. And not everybody joins a Lambeg drum, but I mean, the Lambeg drums will be here as well. And then lastly, Curran Flute Band ourselves will end the evening with a few of our old tunes we've played for years. And don't rush away, because at the end then, if you just give us a few minutes to set up here at the front, we'll put up a few tables here and we'll serve a wee cup of tea, and also just for the children there. And there's nothing, I mean, some of this is lovely homemade cooking, but no sandwich or anything like that there. But sure, after 6 o'clock, you don't want to be eating a feed of sandwiches anyway. So, and I'd also like to thank, there's some people here tonight who have come a long distance to be here. I think maybe the farthest night, we usually have always somebody here from far away. Last year we had somebody here from way down from outside Lurgan, a couple that came. And this year we've a family here all the way from Londonderry. So I'd just like you to put your hands together and give a round of applause to the couple here from that distance. I'm going to mention no names, but I know who it is anyway. So, I'd like to thank Jordan's fan club for coming along here as well, and to James and Sandra all the way from Coleraine. I'd like to thank James and Sandra for coming up here too, for making the journey up here. And for all you who are local here, there's faces in this audience who, I'm not going to mention names again in case they're shy, but there's people in this audience here who support us at every beak and call, and we really do appreciate your support. I thank you for coming along as well, and there's too many to not to name there, but you know who I'm talking about. And there's also others there that any trip that we organise here or go out on, you're there with us to Scarva or down to Rosnella, and you've been doing that for us with us for years, and I really do appreciate that support that still exists out there. But without further ado, I just hope you'll enjoy the evening, and we'll start off by just asking the Salterstown youth to come to the stage. And if I can say as well, Michelle, you maybe won't want me to say this, but we've got a lady bass drummer here tonight. And Michelle was thrown on the deep end because, unfortunately, Joe Hardy, who is the bass drummer in Salterstown, Joe has been on well lately, and I apologise that he can't make it along tonight. But just out of the tuition classes there last week, Michelle stepped forward on the bass drum, and we just all left us all aghast with how well she did the big drum. So she got herself on for it, they roped into the job tonight. So please be patient if her nerves are maybe getting a bit the better of her, but we'll try and give her as much support we can. And I know it's always nice to have a lady bass drummer. They're very few and far between nowadays. So if you'd all just come to the stage now and give Salterstown Youth Band a big round of applause. Thank you. if there's any mistakes, it's all my fault. Not these, because whenever we're practicing, we just practice the tune once through, and then we sit on the night, we only want to do once, and they've landed the night, and I've told them, you're doing it twice, and they've gladly done the tune through twice. So any wee pauses there, blame the tutor here. I'm Paul. At the end here, we've got wee James, only just new to the band there, and doing, oh sorry, Tyler. His dad's James. Sorry, James. Tyler. I call Tyler, don't I call you all church name Tyler, don't you? Sometime I call you, what do I call you sometime? Some other name, I can't remember. They're all good names, not bad. Not bad. We've got Tyler at the end there. We've got Leanne, see that? That's my age, I'm 54, coming 55. Leanne, we've got Stephen, we've got Mark. Mark's a good Ballymena man, but helps out here. And then we've got Sam. So there you go. It's my age, 54 coming 55, that's expected. Maybe 64, George, right? So the next tune they're going to play here is okay, Shores of Tripling. A good old tune that Sutlerstown have played for years and years. Thank you. The audience, they're quite a keen audience. Right. Once again, I take the blame there because this is a tune that someone just has been learning, and maybe I was throwing them in the deep end there, but they're up for it anyway. And Stephen, thanks for keeping the show rolling on there, boy. No, sometime maybe you can try to give them a wee bit too much, but I was sort of encouraging them to play this tune tonight there, and I think they've done very well out of there. Give them a big round of applause for that. If I can ask the rest of the Salterstown band members to come forward and join us here. We're a wee bit low in numbers tonight with everything because, unfortunately, nowadays there's so many things that are organised behind the scenes that you don't know of, and some of the children have been away to do with school trips and pre-Easter meetings away. And Deborah, did you as well, Deborah? So, as I said, we apologise for Joe and Alice can't be with us tonight. There's a few missing here that can't be with us. But as I say, we'll just try to make do with what we have here. And I didn't want to say too much earlier on, but Michelle Day on the big drum there. Big round of applause for Michelle there. And if anybody has been thrown on the deep end tonight, it certainly has been Michelle. But I think she's doing a good job there, and I can't blame her for being a wee bit. I'm a nervous type of a fella myself, I'm sure you know that. I'm shy and all that and quiet. But Michelle, Leslie's not so sure. But Michelle has done a great job there, and we do appreciate Michelle stepping on at such short notice. So we're going to play a few tunes here, and we'll get George rocking behind here on the flute, and I normally nod my head along with him, so we'll get and thanks very much again. Okay. show off sometime and get carried away. Careful this time. That's right. that better, Leslie? You like the mic, Leslie, don't you? We're going to round off with this last tune here, How Deep the Father's Love. Thank you very much, Michelle, again. A big round of applause for Michelle again there. Michelle Day. Michelle comes from a musical family. I don't know if she takes that for her daddy or her mum or daddy gets the credit, I think, maybe, but that was very, very good, I know, for a first time there, thrown in the deep end. And the wee young ones here, I think they do an excellent job. I see Aughrim Fife and Lambay drums have arrived there, so after this wee duet here, or duo, Roy, Aughrim can come forward. These wee men are going to play their pieces here. And Aughrim, thank you, Roy. So we have Mark on my left here, and Sam on the right, sorry Sam, and they're going to play a few pieces now, and they'll announce the pieces as they play them. You're not going to announce them, you're just going to play them. Mic down. Samuel, you want to call the men on there now?